What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see it cold out here today. Brown coat gang in full effect. I just got finished working out, all that good stuff. But I ain't gonna do with small talk. I'm gonna cut to the chase, cause I had this plan anyway. Cause I already knew what was gonna happen. So it's time to keep playing chess. Let's get it. All right, we checking in. So I got the camera set up and all of that. And y'all know how I get down by now, man. Everybody on the internet know how I get down, man. Like, the thing about it is, stand on what you believe in. I gotta talk about some stuff. Now, for the ones before this thing even get started, I'm telling y'all early. For the ones that gonna be, Jay, you ain't gotta explain this, you ain't gotta do this, you ain't gotta do that. Y'all just chill, man. I respect y'all and everything, the OGs or whoever, people my age, people older than me. I respect when your comments and stuff, but y'all just chill, cause this is business. This is business, man. And the thing I hate, I love the internet, but I hate it too. Cause just like it's a guy, I'm gonna talk about him too. He alright though, but I'm still gonna put him on game. But the thing I hate about the internet, like people say the internet give people voices. Sometimes the wrong people, it give them voices and stuff too. That's one thing I hate. But when people not in business, they don't understand. Cause they looking at it like entertainment, which it is. But people don't understand the business side of it, and I ain't finna get into all that. I mean, I done told people before, I'm not finna get into all of that in detail how it works. Just like if somebody comes to do a repair on my house and the septic tank stopped up, I'm not finna go out there and tell them how to unstop the septic tank. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. I just know what a septic tank do, but I ain't finna tell them how to unstop it. So people don't know what I'm doing like I'm doing what I'm doing now. But I dropped the video yesterday, right? And I knew this, man. I had the video idea already planned. I was just waiting until I got enough comments so I can make it. Well, I'm making it in the morning today, cause I said by this time the video been up almost 24 hours. The people who done seen it gonna see it. And I knew I gonna have some idiots say what I thought they gonna say, just like last time. Which I'm finna start calling these people out. I got a video planned for the end of the year too. I already edited it. I'm just adding people to it, and it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna be on folks' head, man. It's gonna be lit. I promise you. It's gonna be funny too. I've been had this plan since the beginning of the year. Watch how this play out. But first, this guy, and I'm gonna start calling them out because they ain't got nothing going on. You can go, they ain't got no channels. That means shit. What is it to give them? but the video, every time I do something for one of my people, right? Somebody bring up my cousin. I don't do nothing for cousin. The video where I bought my little bro, Cedro, the camshaft, Mr. Turbo Racing. He a hater anyway. He don't drop nothing but negative comment. Let me tell you, when somebody comment on my video, and it's positive or negative, I go through sometimes, click on their name and see how many hearts I done gave them. Some of y'all done got hella hearts. It'll say most hearted comments. It'll put a little badge beside their name when I see them. Some people, it ain't nothing but negative. Every time they comment, it's something negative or something that went wrong on one of my cards. Something, then they say something. They're one of these guys. But he says, Jay, can't wait until you help Cuzzo look crazy. I know it's going to be big because you keep helping the same people. I have never helped the same people. I done helped everybody all year, different people, over and over. And your cousin, the only one helping you. Which he was trying to be funny. He a hater anyway. So you see him, Turbo Racing, you a hater. He gonna come in again, bring me some Bring me some engagement. Y'all come out the bush. On the video from yesterday, Big Boy Racing, this the first comment he ever made. I don't even know who the hell he is either. He folk hide behind his screen name, but they some haters. Anyway, so J Malcolm, you telling me and everybody on YouTube that Cuzzo look crazy, not being loyal. hey man, work on your pronunciation stuff too. Grammar, I meant. Or believing it in you because you not doing nothing. For him, only person I see this lawyer is you. Hope you see this look crazy. How you think Cuzzo feels you doing all this stuff for other people and saying they lawyer and he out there with you in the field, not the sideline. Watch how you play your cards because God work in mysterious ways. Stay up. Just stay up. Well, anyway, okay, people. Big Boy Racing, Turbo Racing, whoever agreed with him, I want y'all to stay doing this right here. Stay doing this. Listen, man, I did the biggest thing I can do for Cuzzo out of everybody. I got Cuzzo started with YouTube. Y'all know how much money that put in a person's pocket? A lot of people. I got them started with YouTube. Me and Cuzzo help each other all scene. Listen here, and I don't have to explain it, but I'm gonna get some engagement. So that's why I do it. And I had that plan anyway. Now, if I was this lawyer, people want to find a reason to hate me because I'm up, man. But let me tell y'all something. All y'all shots never work. It will never work, man. It never work. I'm 10 steps ahead of y'all. I'm that many steps ahead of y'all, for real. And I just use this stuff to just continue to grow the brand. Cause let me tell you, even when somebody in a crowd talking about you bad, if it's somebody that don't know, they gonna go look you up. They your promoters. Haters are promoters. So the man said they ain't help Cuzzo. And these people not BCG, man. They ain't BCG cause they don't watch every day. And it shows. If you've been watching the timeline, then I buy Cuzzo some shocks. I surprised him with some shocks from Summit, a couple $100. Then I give Cuzzo a carburetor that was down there brand new off of Dolo, a 750, double pumper. Go look up how much that cost. Many times Cuzzo came to track, I say, hey man, I got you. And this ain't none of y'all business, but and it been some more, but I ain't getting into that. But it's a lot of people gonna see on here that y'all don't know. So like he said on the sidelines, you don't know who on the sidelines. You just know what I show you. Just like I've been telling everybody with these cars. It make you look stupid in the end, man. When somebody on the outside looking in, and then I do something like people always talking about my car was slow and messed up, and then I show them the real deal. Now they quiet as a church mouse. It make you look stupid. Sometimes you need to just sit back and let the movie play out. It's just like when you talking before the movie over with, and then it turn out, oh, I was wrong. Damn right you wrong. Just like these two fools right here. They stupid, man. I mean, and I just use it to push things forward. Like I said, man. And the people that always come on, Jay, why you talking about this? This is my job. This is my business. It's my business to talk about this. It's my business to make content behind it. Then the other guy, I forgot his name. He said something about he done made a couple of comments talking about I shouldn't respond. One time he said keep the money stuff off of YouTube. It seemed like you ain't got it or never had or something like that. And I mean, I'm not gonna call the guy no hater. He ain't no hater. I get it, but he don't get it. And this to you, brother. Listen. And then he made a comment today talking about when I was telling y'all why I left the track, emotional and this and that, internet, social media. Man, you getting emotional when you making comments like that. This my business, man. Is to make people like you talk and conversate, whether it's bad or good. If comments bother me, I could disable comments, man. It's that simple. I can just disable the comments. It wouldn't even matter. I ain't got to see nothing. You can disable the like and dislike button. You don't have to see nothing. And people that really get bothered behind this stuff, that's what they do. I'm pretty sure if you've been watching YouTube long enough, you done ran across a video where it say comments disabled. Or you see the like and the dislike don't have no count on. Or when people really done got emotional behind some big YouTubers, they'll cut that stuff off when they talking about something serious because they don't want to deal with all the stuff. cause it messing with their mental. This stuff don't bother me. I've been doing it 14 years. I done seen everything you can see. I done been called everything you can be called. I done been hated on. It still don't bother me. I just learned that now since I got a business and a brand, I learned how to make it work to my advantage. But these folks stupid, man. They say I don't help Cuzzo. Do y'all think Cuzzo will still be dealing with me if I ain't help him or he ain't help me? Y'all retarded. Y'all retarded, man. I'm talking about real life turbo racing or black boy or whatever his name was. It was his first comment ever. And he comment with some BS. So naturally I'm finna get on him. But I'm like, them fools retarded, man. It's some old people talking about the cars. I'm gonna shut them down at the end of the year. They gonna look so stupid. I hate to get on here and talk like this, y'all, but it is what it is, man. Jay don't fold for nobody, and I stand on what I say. I always will, man. I always will, but I'm gonna get a little paper behind it too. Like the headhunter situation. Why not talk about it? Why not talk about it? Let the, you know what I'm saying? They're my business. I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna keep talking. But I pay more attention to the people that keep it real and 100. Them the names I really recognize on a regular basis. Cause I'm like, hey, when I meet the people in person, I'm like, man, hey, man, you come in all the time. So I ain't paying attention, just attention to the negativity. It's just that I'm gonna use them cause they can't resist. They can't resist, man. Like I'm saying something, they can't resist. They got to say something. It's something in a person. Like, yo, the people that dislike you, they the one that follow you the most. They follow you the most. They want to comment when something going bad, or they think something going bad. They want to comment. Then you hit them in the head, and they ain't got nothing to say. How many times are y'all gonna have to be made out to look stupid? They crazy. But I mean, in a sense, I understand. Cause y'all don't know what's going on besides what I show you on camera, so I understand. But it just, I don't know, man. No, you can't put no age on stupidity, man. It's a lot of stupid people out there. It's a lot of good people out there, but it's a lot of stupid people on the internet. Like my wife say all the time, man, people crazy, man. Like, why would you comment or watch somebody you don't like? You need some help. You need some help. I ain't looking at nothing I don't like. I ain't commenting on nothing I don't like. I ain't giving them no type of, I ain't giving them no view even behind the scenes. These folk crazy, man. But when I dropped the video, I had even told my people, I said, what they gonna say, I don't help Cuzzo. Y'all got to be retarded. Do y'all think that man was still, well, I tell you, I ought to call him. If it wasn't so early, I'd call him, man. I'd call him and mess with him, whatever. He don't know I'm gonna call either, but I tell you, I had to say something about that cause it was funny. It was funny, man. People retarded, man. Y'all is retarded. I'm gonna keep getting on y'all head every time y'all say something. I'm gonna keep turning up, and I'm gonna keep turning people up around me. And you're gonna see some more people. I'm gonna give away some more money and some more gifts and some more prizes for the people that stayed down and loyal. Just cause you don't see them on camera don't mean nothing. Don't mean they ain't play a part. They just let you know who really been watching. Cause if y'all been watching over years, I'm talking about that hard supporter, then y'all done seen my little bro brand. Y'all know exactly who that is. Y'all know who everybody is on camera on the show if you a diehard or whatever. But I just thought they was so funny, man. I thought they was so funny. Everybody done helped this year. They done did something for me, man. Like my little bro Steve Dave, I gave him a turbo earlier this year. I done helped hella people. I done did some stuff off camera. That ain't even show. I done did some stuff. But it like, hey man, y'all can't stop God's greatness, man. That's all I can say, man. It's greatness right here. You can't stop it. I'm just being real. I ain't sounding cocky. I'm just keeping it real. I'm keeping it 100, man. Like, you can't stop God's progression. You can hate on it. You can keep making yourself look stupid, but you can't stop it though. Same thing with these cars, man. These pieces of metal. Y'all don't be knowing what's going on, man. A few people that I really talk to behind the scenes, y'all be knowing what's going on, man. You can't stop. You can't stop somebody that's living life right. It's just simply that, man. That's why stuff keep growing. That's why good things keep happening. But they part of putting yourself in the limelight. They part of I've been saw that a long time ago. I deal with it a lot. But I deal with inspiring and helping people more than anything. See how many minutes? See how many minutes? But yeah, man, I had to get on here and talk to these idiots talking about some own help, cuz old man, shut up. What is y'all talking about, man? Y'all retarded turbo racing and what the other character name is? Turbo racing real character though. Ain't nothing turbo about him. Folks just be talking, man. We want to hear they still talk. Big boy racing. All y'all racing. Everybody with racing at the end of the night. What the hell y'all got going on, man? What are y'all racing? Feet? Nike Air Force Ones? What you racing, man? What y'all racing? y'all racing your mouth. They racing their mouth, man. But I get it, man. I race with you on that too. I beat you at that too. I ain't got no problem. But I don't know, man. People I did the biggest thing I can do for Cuzzo. Put him on a business. You put somebody on a business, man, that's unlimited. That's unlimited income. That's what I ain't done for everybody. But they just gave me an idea. That's what I need to do for all my people. You know, you can give a person a fish or you can teach them how to fish. I know you heard that before. Which one you want to learn? You want to get the fish or you want to learn how to fish? You learn how to fish, your income never ending. So next time, before y'all say something stupid, as y'all say, get your facts together. It's just like when you go to court, have your stuff together, man. Have your stuff together, because you're going to lose that case every time. Same thing with these calls, like these folks speaking on my call, think they know just because you talk to somebody that know me, or your cousin, or your nephew, your auntie, uncle, your niece. Y'all know what's going on, man. Get your facts straight before you come to court. Cause when you put a comment on here, you in court. Get your facts straight before you come to court. Cause I'm telling you, I promise you, I'm gonna make you look stupid every time. I promise you that. Get your facts straight. So anyway, Humble J back in the building, man. That's it. It's a beautiful it's a beautiful morning, man. I'm finna go get this thing cooked up right quick, cause we got some stuff going on with the kids today. A lot of activities. I'm glad we got everything straightened out. What I got? Oh, this one. Gotta get this over the I gotta get this somewhere, get them fans straightened out, man. I gotta get them fans straightened out on that. Then we gotta hit the lawless. So I'm probably gonna shoot y'all 2 videos today, but that's it, y'all, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Y'all turn up in the comments, whatever. Somebody gonna drop some motivations and say, Jay, you shouldn't have not said that, man. You ain't let them mess with you, man. Hey, I want to see y'all too, man. I done told y'all before. but drop it anyway, man. I'm gonna read it anyway. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.